Good job. Show her how. Emmy, Joey's going to show you how. Joey. This one's Joey. Watch Joey. Whoa. Nice.
Okay, you can stand anywhere and do it. Let's go, frisbee go. Ha!
Nice! Catch.
You want to put catch in it?
Show Mommy how you hit it with the baseball bat. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Now show Mommy how you do it. Put it right here. Okay. Do it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Daddy's so proud. Do it one more time. Last time. Ready? 1, 2.